Just came back from Columbia Road Flower Market, which was really nice. Went with my girlfriend. I just love flowers, like, it was just so nice to just see so many flowers, so many beautiful colors. Like, we picked up a bunch of flowers, these ones, which smell unbelievable. They were so nice. It was a bit of like decision paralysis because there was just so many flowers around, but yeah, I think these would be nice. Like the purple and the white is a nice combination. They kind of like contrast each other, complement each other quite nicely. And then we came to Batch Baby and we were just like, let's have a little stop off and have a little tea and a matcha. And then back home, got an IKEA Furniture coming, so that's gonna be really, really nice. Why is it so loud? Excuse the background noise, but yeah. So yeah, we've got some IKEA Furniture arriving later on this afternoon. It's gonna be our TV stand, essentially. So we bought 2 pieces of Eket furniture. We got this idea from TikTok, so yeah, we're just gonna build them, put the TV on top. It'd be nice not to use our center table, our coffee table, as a TV stand, basically. So that will be exciting, I'll show you that. And then cooking. Right now I'm making some traditional Ghanaian food called watch it. So it's essentially like rice and beans, stew, and then eggs. It's just a very traditional Ghanaian dish, and it is sensational. It's so simple, but I love it. It's one of my favorite dishes, and you love it too. You've come to love it. You've come to love it. You've come to love it, which I appreciate. Yeah, you're gonna love mine. Like, this is my first attempt making it. Yeah, everybody loves jollof, but we've got to venture out. Yeah, it's tasty. Anyway, that's our day. My watch is cooking nicely. I have to show you guys, I'm very, very happy with myself. I gave it a little taste test. 10 out of 10. Anyway, main thing, the IKEA furniture is here. So let's put this together. I should have just taken my time with the instructions. I don't know why I was just like, yeah, bang, let me just do this all straight at once. But obviously I have messed up on a crucial component. So I need to figure out a way to slide one of these off so I can get this on. Maybe I could do it like this, but I doubt it. Anyway. I'm really struggling here. I don't really know what happened. Like, I think I followed the instructions correctly, but when I close it, it doesn't just like bounce back. To be honest, I've heard, like, even when you read the reviews on IKEA and on TikTok and things like that, people are like, Eket isn't the best thing to get. So I can see why. This just doesn't seem to align properly. So it's just like rubbing on one side. So it's hard for it to then come down. So it's supposed to just pop back, but it's not doing that. I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is because I really can't be bothered. It'd be nice to store some stuff in there, but yeah, alas. Let me just leave it.